Hey, I'm Adam Jusko from ProudMoney.com. I bought Credit Shifu's wallet, and in this video I'm going to unbox it and show it to you. But first I'm going to ask you to please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not already, and if you have already, I thank you for doing so. So I bought Credit Shifu's wallet. If you are a subscriber to this channel, there's probably a pretty good chance that you are a subscriber to the Credit Shifu channel also, because he's got a bigger audience than me, better accent than me, younger than me. Where was I going with this? Anywho, Credit Shifu also has merch, specifically a line of thin wallets to hold your credit cards and perhaps a little cash. So I thought I would buy one of those and see what kind of quality he is offering. So I purchased the Minimalist Wallet. It cost $18, $3.70 shipping, so $21.70 I paid overall. It showed up yesterday or maybe the day before in this stylish yellow padded envelope, just enough bubble wrap inside to protect that wallet. I felt a little bad because it actually cost $3.90 to send it to me instead of the $3.70 that I was charged, so I took 20 cents profit out from the Credit Shifu, and so I feel a little bit bad about that. But anyway, let's take a look at what we got in here. All right, go down in there. It's all wrapped up. One piece here in plastic. You can see the Credit Shifu sticker that comes along with it, so that's like an extra added bonus. That's got to be worth quite a bit right there. Maybe I'll put that on the bumper of my car. So opening that up, get to that sticker, get to the wallet. I don't know how to get it out. There we go. Again, the sticker. And here is the wallet wrapped in a piece of tissue paper. Probably protects it. Not sure what that was. All right, so there it is, the Credit Shifu wallet. You can see the Credit Shifu signature there burned into the leather. This is the light brown Minimalist Wallet. You can see there are multiple places for cards here. Slot on top, flip it over, another slot up there, and places for multiple cards as well. I'll read you the description here of this wallet. It says the Minimalist is the ideal wallet for those who don't want to carry cash. It has 8 credit card slots and a central slot just in case you want to carry a few bills for emergencies. Even when it is loaded up with 6 or more credit cards, it is still much thinner than the average wallet, as we've seen. Now ships with free Credit Shifu sticker while stocks last. The stocks were thankfully still available to me. And as I was reading that to you, I filled up the Credit Shifu wallet, at least partially. Got 3 cards on this side, my Verizon card there, a 50 spot up top to show you that I'm a high roller. Feels pretty good, pretty thin as advertised. Looks good. So that's it. I assume Credit Shifu did not hand make this wallet, but whoever his supplier is did a nice job. The little signature burned in there, a nice little extra touch. The sticker on top of everything, which has probably got to be worth $2 or $3 on its own. So if you were thinking about buying one of Credit Shifu's wallets, I can recommend it to you. This time that is really it. Credit Shifu did not supply me with that wallet. I did actually use my very own money to get it. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, put them in the comment section. Otherwise, I thank you for watching, and as always, please go to ProudMoney.com where we do credit card reviews, we talk personal finance, we talk deals, and all sorts of other fun stuff too. Thanks for watching. Bye.